I was contacted by Verve Management, and I saw that the organizers were very passionate on making a difference in engaging stakeholders within Africa. So I thought, being their first attempt to do an event in Kenya, we were gladly willing to support them and speak at the event. I think the planning of the whole summit has been very good. I saw the communication by email, by phone. I'll single out Anna Williams, who was always on the ball for keeping us informed. So I think the experience has been good. I think the choice of the venue has been excellent. And the morning, the deliberations were very candid and open. So great work. Yes, I think it's the beginning. We say that stakeholder engagement is very important in improving health in Africa. This is one of the engagement forums that bring both private sector and the other stakeholders from outside Africa together. So I believe that stakeholder engagement is important, and Africa Healthcare Extension Summit is one such forum that allows us to improve and share knowledge. Definitely. We'll see you there.
Thank you.
Thank you.